Analog Devices offers their family of complete IMU systems. Each IMU system includes a digital tri-axis gyroscope and tri-axis accelerometer, each with a signal conditioning that optimizes their dynamic performance up to a range of plus or minus 2,000 degrees per second. These sensor systems are factory calibrated for sensitivity, bias, alignment, and linear acceleration. As a result, each sensor has its own dynamic compensation formulas that provide accurate sensor measurements. Housed in a small 44-pin BGA package that measures approximately 11mm by 15mm by 11mm, these IMU systems provide a cost-effective method for integrating accurate, multi-axis inertial sensing into industrial systems. Ideal applications include smart agriculture and construction machinery, unmanned and autonomous vehicles, and virtual and augmented reality systems.